at the sea. Oh, that's where the body was. Should we walk up that way?
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
Hello.
We got ourselves a towel.
Beautiful. You had to run to get the seat, and we're doing towel folding.
Towel folding in the D lounge.
It's been a long morning, everybody. It's okay now. You get to sit back and relax and make some awesome towel animals. So we do have your wonderful Stateroom Host team in the room today. Let's give them a big cheer. They've been doing an amazing job all cruise long. But right here, right now, we have got someone very special who is going to teach you some of those awesome towel animals that they make. So please put your hands together. It's Jazelle!
Hi everyone, how's your Halloween going? Spooky?
Yeah.
No, not yet? Have you trick-or-treaters yet?
No.
Not yet? What's wrong with you? We're waiting for the candy. Literally, okay? So thank you for coming out to towel folding today, your housekeeping team. We took a break to come to show you a little of the pixie dust that we do in your room. Alright? Now we cannot give you all of the pixie dust, so we give you a little smidget. So you're gonna need your big towel. You can put the small one on the side. You're gonna need your big towel and your trusty chin. Now if you have a big chin, kudos to you. We love it. If you don't, well, we'll work it out, alright? So you're gonna put it in the center and then you're gonna roll. Yeah, sorry I sent you guys off a little bit. Alright, so because this is what we do on a regular basis, I tend to go a little fast. If I'm going too fast, just simply say Jazelle slow down or Jazelle stop. Alright? Now don't shout at me because I cry very easily. Yeah, I'm a tender person. Right? And you try to get it as tight as possible. Now when you get it like this, you're supposed to have something looking like a carrot. Alright, some of us, we don't have big chin, so let me help you out here. This young lady doesn't have a big chin. Let me help you. Usually, oh, she's short, but she has a big chin. It's okay.
That's good.
So, okay, so if you don't have a big chin, but you have a partner, your partner needs one finger.
Even though I got a tiny chin,
Just one in the center. So when I pull, you pull. Okay? Where's the carrots coming? Let me see the carrots. A few string beans, but it's okay. Let's see. All right. You're welcome. Are you guys getting through here? No, let me help you. And when you're back there, also, you're going to pick up the small side and give it a few tight rolls.
Drop my one. Drop my one.
Then you're going to stop.
You gotta do split side down.
Shape it out and tell me what you got. What did you get? Very good. Who got something other than a swan? What did you do to the swan?
Split side down.
It doesn't want to stay. It doesn't want to stay up. What did you do to the swan? Tell me. Guys absolutely love Disney. I'm going to alter your swan a little bit. And you love your Stateroom Hosts and you appreciate what we do. There we go. See, your swan came out good.
Nice swan, lady.
Exactly. Alright, so I need you guys to take pictures of your swan, decorate your swan if you have any Halloween decorations. Put it on your swan because we're going to move on. Now remember what we do, it takes like 10-15 seconds. You guys took like 45 minutes. My God. Remember we have to trick or treat tonight. I'm excited. So, take a fruit. Very cutesy. So we're gonna shake out the swan. And I need you to make some space because you need to spread out. Because I need you to spread your towel. So the swan was easy, right? Somewhat. It's okay. Alright, are we ready to move on? Yay, I like that. So, with your towel spread, you have a long side and you have a short side. Yes? Nice. We're going to use the short side. So on one side, you're going to roll till you meet the center. And you're doing the same thing on the other side. Roll till you meet the center. When you're finished, you need to have something looking like a scroll. Try to get it as even as possible.
So do the other side.
How's our scrolls coming? Slowly, okay. It's okay. We have all day. We have lookout key tomorrow, lighthouse key tomorrow, some key tomorrow.
Stop.
Who's excited for lookout key?
Do a bit more on the other side.
So am I. If you see me on the island, just say to yourself, come. Okay? We're gonna have fun. Nice. So let me see the scrolls. Alright, so with our scrolls again, we have a flat side, and we have a split side, yes? We're gonna put the split side down.
So turn it upside down, like.
Right? Come, sister. You got it, Miss Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo? Princess? And it's her birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, so we're going to fold in the middle. Sorry, fold it in half. Like Trinidad, we fold in the middle. My God. Yes? Now with your towels folded like this, you have 4 edges that I need you to pull out for me. 1, see if you can find them. 2, 3, 4. The corner bits, yes. Now if you don't have feelings in your fingers, it's okay. We'll come back eventually. Eventually, hopefully. You got it? Nice? Yes? No? What happened? Got it? It's okay, you're almost there. Now you are holding your towel like this right now. We don't want it like this. Turn it and we want it like this. Because I need you to hold on to the 4 edges and I need you to pull. And when you pull, you're supposed to have something looking like a chicken or a turkey or whatever you had for lunch in Cabanas today. What did you have for lunch today? Chicken or turkey? Flat side and you have 2 hump sides. Yes? So I need you to put the flat side down for marinating purposes. And then we're going to get the small towel. Sorry, princess. So, birthday girl, I need you to do very good so you can marinate properly. Let's see, all the chickens are turned over for marinating purposes. Beautiful, let me see. Princess in the back? Daddy, right here. Turn it over so you can bake properly. Beautiful. So, small towel. Spread. Who can tell me the famous words of the fairy godmother? What's that? Done. Oh, okay, sorry. Let's do that again. So you know how you fold in thirds? Yes? That's what we're going to do. So you're going to pick up this one, put it in the center, and then cover it over. Let's do that again. You pick up the bottom part, put it in the center, and then you cover it over. You got that?
Yes.
You got the flap facing us? Alright, so now you need 1 finger in the middle, lift and fold away from you. Same thing on the other side.
Like an
lift
shape.
and fold away from you. So you get something looking like a spaceship. How's our spaceship? Let me see the spaceship. Alright, nice. Very good. Alright, nice. He fixed the spaceship. Good. So do we have the spaceship?
Yeah.
Good. We're going to fold the spaceship in half. So you get half of a ship. Do you see the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the mouth? No, you don't. Very good. You're going to hold it like this and flip it over. Now, do you see the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the mouth? Sort of?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you're going to add this ingredient to your chicken and tell me what you got. What did you get?
I don't.
Exactly, you got Pluto. So you put it on the top, right, on one of the humps of the chicken, and then you turn it. And then if you want to decorate your dog for Halloween, you put on a nice sunglasses on him, and you make him look very cool and very Pluto-ish. So how's your dog's coming? Very good, nice. Let me see. Yes, your dog looks good. Sort of. Let me see. Yeah, you look good. Professionalism. So you guys got the dog? Now, while you're taking pictures of the dog, we have to get rid of it. But we're keeping the chicken and we're going to get rid of the head. It's Halloween, I can say that. Okay? You keep taking pictures of your dog, decorate the dog, because we're going to move on. We're going to move on. Yes, we're still keeping the chicken. So we're keeping the chicken to marinate a little more. Are we ready to move on? Yes? No? Okay. So do you guys remember the fold that we did just now? Yes. We're going to do that again. The bibbidi bobbidi fold. So now, what I need you to do is hold on to the ends because we're going to roll on the inside. But I need you to count with me. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, stop. And tell me what you got. Nice. Let me see the binoculars. Very good. Okay, good. Fold one more time inside. One more. There you go. Nice. Good. Let me see. So now, this part here, we're going to bend it in. Do you see the eyes, the ears, the nose, and the mouth? Yes. Yes? So we're going to add this lovely ingredient to our chicken, but this is how you're going to add it. You're going to hold it up, put it in, and tell me what you got. Oh, you got JUSTFOURTA's monkey. Yes, and why is my chicken not chocolatey? Okay, so let me see the monkeys. So you get them. Oh, nice. Let me see the monkeys. Beautiful. Now, in the spirit of Halloween, while you're taking pictures of your monkey and you're admiring your monkey, when you're finished with your monkey, you turn your monkey, because it's Halloween, into a ghost. So turn your monkey into a ghost and we celebrate Happy Halloween on the high seas with Disney. So let me see the head of ghost. Exactly, you won't even see. Yes? So did you guys learn something today? Yes. Is it okay? Marinate the chicken. Very good. So you did, technically you did 2 classes in one. You did towel folding and you did something to cook. Anyone can cook. Good job. Anyone can cook. Very good. 2 in 1, right? So you guys did this today, and because it's Halloween and we, the housekeeping team, wants to go and trick and treat in cabanas later, is it okay that you guys stay and do what we do and we go to trick or treat? A couple of days ago, I had a guest right sitting here. He said, yes, you go, do what you want, go to the spa, eat Mickey Bar, ride the aqueduct. And we really did. And we told him, okay, you go do what we do. And then my manager called me and said, Jazelle, this gentleman put something on the bed. Come here now. Because they don't know what it is. So I don't trust you people now. No, I don't. But because I have some time, I'm going to show you my personal favorites, okay? All right. I just love this. I don't know why. I just love this creation. Now, we all know the story of Princess Tiana, right?
Yeah.
We all know what happened to her, how it came about, and who she met, Prince Naveen and Dr. Facilier, very good. And then, you know, Dr. Facilier always wants to get rich quick. And he just, you know, changes people into things. And then Princess Tiana kissed the thing. I don't know why she kissed it, but she was curious. But anyhow, who can tell me what it is? A frog. Are you sure it's the frog? Yes? Alright, there we go. Alright, now I'm going to put the frog by the door. Please do not kiss it because you see what happened to Tiana and we don't have that voodoo on board in spite it's Halloween. I want you guys to continue to enjoy your cruise, enjoy your day, enjoy your Halloween. Please enjoy Lookout Key tomorrow because I will see you guys on the island. When you see me, say hi. When you see any one of your housekeeping people, say hi. Oh, Mabrika, yes, thank you. So when you see us, say Mabrika, we're going to say it back to you. Enjoy.
Enjoyed your towel folding lesson. You all did awesome, and I really enjoyed the chicken that turned into a ghost, and then the monkey, and it was awesome. You all did amazing. But make sure you head on over, see the frog on your way out, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you all around the ship, everyone.
I think we should make Milo one.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Here you go, Dad.
Thanks, babe. Just put these in my bag.
Did you make that lace?
What is it?
Did you make it? Pretty cool. What are you doing? How did you make the frog? What did you have to do?
Make chicken and
Make
then
chicken.
Spin out.
Towel folding in the tea lounge.
don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!